Welcome to BTS Disco. 4 ways BTS Jungkook has changed since he was young. His Hyungs help him a lot. BTS Jungkook started pursuing his dream from a young age and many things has changed since he was young. When BTS guested on Mnet New Young TV show, the Hyungs shared that Jungkook used to be extremely shy. If someone asked Jungkook to sing, he could not be able to because of his shyness. If someone continuously asked Jungkook to sing, then he would cry. Jungkook got over his shyness with time and his Hyungs could not help but smile when looking at how much Jungkook has grown. In an interview, Jungkook was asked how he has changed in the last 8 years. He shared that he used to play a lot of pranks and had a lot of pride. However, after meeting his Hyungs, Jungkook became more calm. Jungkook now thinks about other people's feelings first before thinking about his. In the past, Jungkook was not a fan of ARMY calling him Oppa. Oppa is an affectionate term that women use to address older males. At a fan sign, an ARMY yelled out Jungkook Oppa, and Jungkook quickly told her that he was not her Oppa. He then told ARMY that they would now have to bring their ID card so that he could check their ages. As time passed, Jungkook got more used to being called Oppa and now does not mind it. In an episode of TV and U-Quiz on the blog, Jungkook revealed that he struggled during BTS early days because he questioned himself as the group's main vocalist. After I debuted, I was the main vocal. The main vocals of the other groups were great singer, dancer, handsome and cool. What am I? Can I be the main vocal of this team? Jungkook then started working tirelessly to improve. I had to show improvements and accomplishments. I thought that the only person who could act and make a change was myself. From that moment, I deleted the idea of vocal training and art in my head. In the car, in shower, 24 hours in a day, I tried to sing and was singing during every possible minute. With time, Jungkook started becoming more confident and his Hyungs saw this. 3 times BTS Jungkook talked about dating and what he wants to experience. Jungkook once spoke about kissing that he would like to experience in real life. Over the several years, BTS Jungkook has spoken several times about dating and what he would like to experience. Jungkook's ideal type. Jungkook once shared that his preferred traits in a girlfriend are someone with a healthy body, toned muscle and pretty legs. He also shared that he wants to be with someone intelligent. Being great at singing and cooking are also traits that Jungkook would want in a girlfriend. Jungkook is quite competitive and he would be like to be with someone who is equally competitive. Jungkook would also want his ideal type girlfriend to be shorter than him. Celebrities close to his ideal type, they would be singer IU and actress Emma Watson. The kiss scene he would like to experience. In an interview, Jungkook was asked if there was a scene from a movie he would like to experience in real life, and he spoke about a kiss scene from the movie Love 9/11. In a movie called Love 9/11, there is a scene where the movie character lifts up the girl with both hands and kisses her. I want to experience that at least once before I die, revealing what's more important than dating at this moment. In an interview with Esquire Dave, the BTS members were asked a few broad dating questions and they gave the same answers to each one. I asked about dating broad questions like are you, is there time, can you, and the answer to all of them is a pretty clear no. Jungkook shared that sleeping is much more important to them, implying that they don't have time to date. The more important thing for us is now to sleep on time. While the members are not dating, RM shared that they receive a lot of love from ARMYs. Our love life 24 hours, 7 days a week is with all the ARMYs all over the world. Thank you so very much for watching my video.